Mr. Siva,
Yes,
how
sir.
are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm so good. Are you nervous?
No, I'm not nervous.
So please introduce yourself.
I'm Shiva. I'm from Prayagraj. I live in Salem Sarai. About my qualification, I have passed class 8 right now, studying class 9. About my family background, my father name is Naren Singh and he is a businessman. And my mother name is Neha Singh. She is a homemaker. I have one younger sister. About my hobbies, I want to learn new skills and playing cricket.
Okay.
And about my aims, I want to be a famous businessman. That's all. Thank you.
When did you complete your class 8?
In March,
Okay. What is your school? Where do you study?
KV Bengali.
What is the class full answer? Full answer. Okay.
I study in KV Bengali.
Okay. And what about that Montenegrin language? Do you teach speak English?
In my school, all teachers speak English. I don't understand, and my friend also speak English, but I don't understand. I don't speak English.
Okay. So why do you want to learn English? What is the main reason behind it?
Because in future 10th and 12th is more hard. I will pass the 10th and 12th in my life. I want to pass the 10th and 12th from good number.
Okay, so you tell me that how did you come over here? Who told you about this coaching? Did you see poster or anything else?
Oh, I was coming from my school. One day I was coming from my school, then I saw the poster. When I reached my home, I said to my father, I want to learn English. I told him about this coaching. Then he said you should go there. Then I came here. I met sir. Sir said you come with your father. Then I reached my home. Then I said to my father, sir said you come with your father. Then my father came here. He met sir. He talked with sir. Then my father came here. He said to me, you should go there. Then I said, I will go there. Then I came here, I attended class, I took trial class, I felt good. Then I took admission.
Okay, that's good. And right now, how many days have you completed?
I have completed only 15 days.
Okay, 15 days. Tell me about your 15 days and what are the changes in you in 15 days?
When I came, when I came, I didn't speak English, but this time I speak English little by little.
Little bit.
Yes.
Okay, and what do you think in future? Can you speak English or not?
Yes, I can speak English. In future, I will speak English. When I speak English in 15 days, in future, I believe in 3 months, I will speak English fluently.
Okay, that's good. And what do you want to be?
I want to be famous businessman
So why do you want to be this man?
because I don't want to be servant. I want to be honor. Uh, I want to give job. Don't I don't do job.
Okay.
I don't want to do job. No.
Okay, that's good. You're thinking really nice. And what about your father? What is he?
He's a businessman.
Okay, what kind of business does he have?
He is cloth making.
Yes, no business. Okay. Will you join your father in future?
No, I will not join my father.
Okay, I will talk. What kind of will you do in future? What type of business will you do?
What did you say?
What type of business will you do in future?
Like bhatta and
It's called killing.
yes.
Okay, that's good. And what about your friends, those who play with you? Do they know how to speak English?
He know how to speak English, but I didn't know how to speak. But this time I know how to speak English.
Okay, what about your family members?
I have only 4 members in my family.
And is there anyone who is able to speak English in your house?
My father My father speaks English only.
Okay, and what about your cousin brother?
He's also speaking English little bit.
Okay, that's good. So after completing his opening course, what will you do?
I will complete next study.
Okay. What do you think? How spoken English will help you in study? Will it help you in study?
Yes, sir. When I came, I did not speak English.
I know, but I'm not asking this. I'm asking that will this class help you in your further
Yes,
study?
this time I help. It is helpful for me. Uh, in my school, sir and ma'am taught when I was not understanding. But this time I understand. I am understanding.
Okay. Right now you're studying in everything.
Yes.
Okay. What would you like to say? Okay, about this coaching.
What did you say?
What would you like to say about this coaching? It is good for beginners.
Yes, it's good for beginners.
How can you
It's
say?
very helpful for beginners. Uh, I know he will learn in this coaching.
Okay, anyone will come.
Yes.
Okay, and what about your academic? Do you also go to coaching apart from this class? Are you attending any other class?
I don't and I don't
Attend.
attend other class
Okay. What is subject like mine?
like science and math.
Yes, yes. Are you attending?
Enough.
You are attending.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. You are doing good. And tell me something about your daily routine.
First of all, I get up early in the morning, then I brush my teeth, I get fresh, I take a bath, I wear my clothes, I pray for God, pray to God. Then in the afternoon, I take lunch, I play outside with my friends. Then I came, I wash my hand and face, then I study and I complete my homework. Then I take a nap for 30 minutes. Then I come here and I attend this coaching. Then I will come back. I go back at my home. Then I wash my hand and I take a snack. Then I will no. I study for sometimes. Then I go outside for play with my friends for playing. And I come back at my home. Then I wash my hand and face. Then I take a lunch and I take dinner and I then I walk. Then I take a bath again. Then I go on my bed. Then I sleep. Well,
Okay, that's good. And what about yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
uh, I got up early in the morning. Then I brushed my teeth. I got dressed and
Tell reality
I went to school. Then I came back at my school
from my school.
from my school. Then I completed my homework. Then I take a nap for 20 minutes. Then I took a nap for 20 minutes. Then I came here and I took this class. I took this class and attended this class. Then I came back at my home. Then I washed my face and I took snacks. Then I washed my hand and face. Then I took dinner. Then after that I went on my bed. Then I slept.
Okay. What did you take for dinner yesterday?
I took the malu and roti. Take for yesterday dinner.
I took you took all roti for dinner.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And which is your favorite dish?
The malu.
The one is your favorite.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Why do you like the one very much?
It's that's very spicy.
Okay.
It is.
That's why you like it very much. And you said that you go to school. Do you go to school daily?
I go to school daily.
What time do you go and what are your returning time from there?
I go at 6:30 and I come at 2:30 p.m.
Okay, it's very hard work for you.
Yes, sir.
because you come from there and after that you go to the coaching. Everything you come over here. And when do you get time to play?
4 to 5 p.m.
So you play for one.
Yes, sir. Enough. It's enough.
It's enough. Don't worry. Okay, you are doing good.
Yes.
So do you-
1 to 1 hour for playing, it's enough.
Okay, that's good. Your all friends play for one.
Yes, sir. No, he plays.
They play.
He plays.
They play.
They played.
For
They play for 3 hours.
3 hours and you play for
1 hour.
1.
Because I came here.
Okay, because I come here.
I come here.
That's good. Nice to talk to you. In 15 days, you book a lot. And I hope that you will do it.
I will speak it.
2 months and 15 days time and definitely you will do very good. Okay?
I believe I will do it.
Yes. Believe on us, please.